This video shows how to replace the NVMe riser on a PowerEdge XE2420. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. To begin, first, remove the system cover. Loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system and lift the system cover out. To remove the NVMe riser, you must first remove GPU riser 2. Starting with GPU riser 2, loosen the blue thumb screws both on the rear and the front of the system. Now, holding the blue touch points, lift the riser and keep it upside down on the chassis frame. Then, disconnect the GPU power cables connecting to the PIB and move the riser out of the system. For the NVMe riser, disconnect the slimline cable from the riser. Open the plunger, holding the blue touch points, lift the riser out of the system. To replace the NVMe riser, holding the blue touch points, insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated. Now, lift the plunger to lock the riser in place and then connect the slimline cable to the riser. Next, for GPU riser 2, reconnect the GPU power cables and insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated. Then, tighten the blue thumb screws both on the rear and the front of the system. Finally, replace the system cover and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the NVMe riser on a PowerEdge XE2420. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.